mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian D. Simengo sa ating aking daily devotion ng araw August 25, 2025. Ngayong araw po ating tutuloy ating series which is a seminary meditation. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about repentance. Ano ang tatlong elemento ng tunay na pagsisisi o repentance? And now, para po sa araw ito, ang talata po natin ang galing sa 2 Corinthians chapter 7, verse 10. Sabi po rito, basahin ko po. Godly sorrow brings repentance that leads to salvation and leaves no regret. But worldly sorrow brings death. Now, pang ating mas malaman kung may sabihin ng talata ito, ngayon patapilita ako sa ating teaching for today. So, yung repentance po, hindi lang siya basta-bastang pagsasorry or pagiging tawad sa Diyos and then magiging okay or babalik tayo sa dati nating buhay. Kasi yung real repentance po, meron po yung tatlong parts. And yung first part po is change of heart. Meaning, meron ka talagang true sorrow or tinatawag natin godly sorrow. So, yung godly sorrow, meaning meron kang deep brokenness over sin. Kasi na-realize mo yung sin mo is talagang it is deep wherein it hurts God. Second po, there is a change of mind wherein you are thinking that it gets in where you see that your sin is deep and naiintindihan mo na it is that repentance is needed the most. And last but not the least po is meron din po tayo change of direction wherein you don't just stop at feelings or thoughts but you actually make actions, meaning you turn your life towards God and walk with Him. And that's the real meaning of true repentance. Ngayon patagpila ako sa ating application. So, ano nga ba yung dapat natin gawin or apply sa ating mga buhay? So, kapag sinabi po natin that we've repented, dapat merong action, dapat merong evidence. Dapat nakikita sa buhay mo na repentance. Kasi true repentance shows up in the way we live. And we start seeking a godly lifestyle wherein nakikita sa atin na merong pagbabago sa ating buhay. And it is not to earn God's love, but because He has already changed us. So, magitan ito, natututo po tayo to serve others with humility. Natututunan pa natin yung mahalay na we put aside our selfishness and magsisimula tayo na mag-grow pa yung relationship natin kay God, palapit pa tayo not because we are scared of punishment but because mahal natin siya, we love Him and we want to please Him. So yung repentance mo, it is saying not just in words but